Is it possible to earn up to $7,500 a month on ClickBank without even having a website? It is. I'm going to show you how it's done and give you a copy of this book right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online right now, the things that are working in 2022. Listen, if you're new here, we give you a ton of content on this channel, but the one thing that I really like to do is find awesome affiliate products that are selling right now on ClickBank and on other places that you can promote to earn a commission. Listen, without making a product for yourself, without building a website, or without even handling shipping or receiving or customer service or anything like that. Now, how is that possible? How can you make money without doing any of that stuff that you typically need to do in a business? Well, first of all, I'm gonna give you a copy of my book that shows you how to do it in just a little while. So hang tight, stay around, and you'll get a copy of this book completely free. By the way, smash that like button. That way we know to give you a copy of the book in just a second. But here's the thing. As an affiliate, your only job is to promote great products that already exist. And you'll get a commission every single time that somebody buys something using your affiliate link. And so today what I want to do is I want to get into a niche with you that you may not even be familiar with. We've talked about a lot of products that help people make money on the internet or maybe get in shape, but this niche is even more profitable than that on ClickBank because of this one product. And I bet you're never going to guess what this even is. In fact, let's make some guesses right now. Put them in the comment box below. Just guess what you think this niche really is. Put them in the comment box below. Remember, listen, if you subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, hit the like button, and leave me comments, you qualify to win some of the cash prizes that we're going to be giving away. So it makes sense to do this. But leave me a comment below. Can you guess what this niche is that's more profitable than the internet marketing niche and the fitness niche? Listen, I'm going to tell you right now, the offer I'm going to be sharing with you today is in the home and garden niche. It's pretty crazy, right? Now, this is a pretty wide niche because you can promote anything from, I don't know, garden tools to tractors, right? And you can even generate leads for contractors doing home renovations as an affiliate. It's pretty wide open, and there's not a lot of people in this space, even though you can make a ton of money in it. But today I want to share an offer I found on ClickBank that absolutely crushes it, and it's been crushing it for quite some time. The product is called Ted's Woodworking, which is an online offer filled with woodworking blueprints that constantly are getting updated. Seriously, you can check out the website for yourself, and it's loaded with everything from building your own furniture to making wooden toys. There's even a plan to build your own beehive if that's what you're into. We'll put the website address right here on the screen for you so you can check that out. And listen, what I'm really interested in is that, as you can see right here on the screen, you can earn up to 75% commission on all of their products, which is really high in this industry. Seriously, check it out for yourself by going to clickbank.com and searching for Ted's Woodworking Tools. At the time I'm shooting this video, you can earn up to $125 for every single sale, and they convert 11% of their traffic, which means that on average, if you can get 10 people to visit their website, you're likely to make a sale. To me, that's pretty incredible. That's the power of affiliate marketing. All you have to do is promote products that are already doing insanely well. Think about it. So many times in affiliate marketing space, we're promoting stuff in the health and fitness or make money on the internet niche. And there's nothing wrong with that. Those offers solve a huge need that people will spend a lot of money to fix. But I know a lot of you have been asking for me to show you offers that maybe things you haven't seen before. And I guarantee that if everyone watching this video today started promoting this offer, it would still be a fraction of the people promoting some of the hottest make money on the internet or fitness offers. So if you have any interest in this niche, I check it out. Also, here's the deal. How do we promote it? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a landing page using some of the marketing that you'll see on Ted Woodworking's sales page, right? We'll put that URL right here on the screen for you. If you look at the top right of the page, you'll see plain as day that the offer is 77% off and that you get over 16,000 woodworking plans when you sign up. If you scroll to the bottom of their sales page, you'll see they're also giving away free plan every single month, and they're constantly updating. So a few headlines that you could put on your landing page might be, how to get free woodworking plans every month. Or another one might be, how to start a woodworking business without any experience. Whatever headline you decide to write, the goal is for them to give you their email address in exchange for you sending them to the main sales page for the Ted Woodworking offer. Now, why are you collecting their email? Well, here's the deal. If they buy you made a commission. But if they don't, you still have their email and you can send them additional offers, different affiliate products, and things of that nature that you find online. See, most people will just teach you how to get people to an offer and hope you make a sale. What I actually want to do is I want to show you how to build an actual online business that you can make money from for years to come. And the best way to do that is to grow an email list. That way you can make money every time you send an email by promoting offers you already know people are going to like. So if this niche is something you're interested in, go and check out Ted's Woodworking on ClickBank. They're not paying me to talk about this. I just like to showcase great affiliate offers. And if you're thinking to yourself that all that sounds great, but how do I start? I understand. I get it. There's a lot I can't go over on YouTube's video platform, right? Like, how to get people to your landing page. So how do we get customers, right? How to build an email list of people that want to buy from you, not just people, right? So how do we build that email list? How do we find other awesome affiliate offers that you can promote? Look, it can get really confusing, but if you're just getting started, which is exactly what most of people that watch my channel are, there's hope for you, I promise, because you can partner with me. Instead of doing this on your own, we can do this together. You can literally partner with me and use an ecosystem that I've built called the Partner with Anthony ecosystem. What the Partner with Anthony ecosystem does is it allows you and I to partner together to build your business. I create the ecosystem that educates people, that trains people, and that sells people. You send the customers. It's that simple. Inside of this ecosystem, you get to swap out all the affiliate links for your affiliate links. You get to remove mine, put in yours. When you do that, now you're the one making all the money, but you don't know a whole lot about selling these different types of things, right? In fact, when you get a copy of this book in just a minute, it'll be your first time probably learning how to build an ecosystem for yourself. So in my ecosystem, I do all of the selling for you. I literally sell 12 different products for you. Some of them are these right here. I'll show you on my computer. This one that's generated $105,000 for me in 1 year. This is a GoDaddy affiliate program. This affiliate program, you even see it says affiliate program, Get Response, that generated $243,000 for me. Okay. This one right here, ClickFunnels, that generated $2,966,219.52. So I'm just a shade away from $3 million, right? Massive amounts of money that I continue to generate and continue to earn each and every month from these different affiliate programs. So the question might be like, all right, how do I get started with that? And the answer is, it's real simple. There's a link right below this video. You might have to click show more or see more or something like that. But if you click it, you'll see there's a link right below the video. When you click it, you'll get access to this book completely free, cost you nothing. So it's a free book, right? That shows you how to build your own ecosystem. But you'll also get access to the Partner with Anthony program so that you can partner with me and use my ecosystem, the very ecosystem that I'm using right now to generate the commissions you just saw. All you'll be doing is taking my affiliate link out, putting your affiliate link in. And when you do that, you'll have access to exactly what I'm using to run my business. If you want to start your business off the right way the first time, it stands to reason that you probably, as a beginner, don't want to do things on your own. You'd probably rather partner with somebody and do things with somebody who's already been successful with this. And that's the reason why I created Partner with Anthony. I wanted to give you an edge. You get to earn multiple commissions, not just one. You get to partner with somebody who understands this and knows how to do it instead of trying to do it on your own. And you have the power of a community that's literally working together to build each other's business. Can't really get much better than that. Plus, you get a copy of this book at no cost. And this shows you how to build your own ecosystem in any industry and any niche. So all you got to do is click the link that you see right below this video. Make sure you click it. You'll get access to this book. You'll get access to the Partner with Anthony program as well. Now, you're still here. And that means that you need to do 3 things for me so that you can qualify to win some of our giveaways that we talk about all the time. Step number 1, you need to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Okay. Step number 2, you need to make sure you press the like button on this video. There's a little like button right underneath the video. Press the like button. And step number 3, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Like, look, $7,500 a month on ClickBank, that's not too difficult, right? If you're earning $125 a sale from Ted Woodworking, right? Like, this is not pie in the sky type of stuff, right? These are very doable numbers. Is everybody gonna do that? No. Are we guaranteeing that? No, but it's doable. So what I want to know is, do you feel like you learned an awful lot in this video? Leave me comments. Remember, when you subscribe, like, and comment, you qualify to win any of the number of prizes that we are giving away here on our channel and to our subscribers and the people that engage with us each and every day. Make sure you click that link below. Get your copy of this book completely free. Check out the Partner with Anthony program, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with another affiliate marketing training.